Welcome to this presentation on how to use the Boomi Flow Library. In the presentation, we will cover what the Boomi Flow Library is, what it contains, and how to use it to create your own flows. The Flow Library is a collection of example flows and page templates that you can install directly into your Boomi tenant. The resources provide you with quick access to best practices, templates, and common flow functionality. This will help you get started with creating your own flows. The Flow Library link has been replaced with the Discover link. You'll find this under Resources, and it will take you to our new Discover page. From there, you can just simply filter for flow. Once filtered for flow, you will see a wide range of pre-built resources that you can use in your own flows. These pre-built Welcome to this video on how to use the Boomi Flow Library. In this video, we will cover what the Boomi Flow Library is, what it contains, and how to use it to create your own flows. The Flow Library is a collection of example flows and page templates that you can install into your Boomi tenant. These resources provide you with quick access to best practice templates for common flow functionality, helping you to get started with creating your own flows. Do note the Flow Library link has been replaced with the Discover link that you can find under Resources. This takes you to our new Discover page. From there, you can filter the results to flow. Once filtered for flow, you will see a wide range of those pre-built resources that you can use in your own flows. The resources and flows demonstrate best practices for specific use cases. You can install them directly into your tenant and modify them as needed. The Learn More button on the flow, if selected, opens to display a high-level overview of the topic as well as the use case. The Install button, if selected, installs the flow directly into your Boomi Flow account and tenant. After you have received feedback of a successful installation, you will see the installed flow upon successful authentication into your Boomi Flow tenant. In conclusion, the Boomi Flow Library is a valuable resource for anyone looking to create flows in Boomi. By browsing and installing those pre-built flows and page templates, you can save time and ensure that your flows are built using best practices. We hope this helps, and thank you for watching.